I will never waste money on overpriced PCs again after seeing these builds. Here's how to get awesome gaming performance for just $500. Ready? Let's dive in. For $500, you've got two main options. Build your own or buy pre-built. Building your own gets you more bang for your buck, but pre-builts are easier for beginners. If you build, try an AMD Ryzen 5 5600G CPU. It has solid graphics built in, so you don't need a separate graphics card right away. Add 16 GB RAM, a 500 GB SSD, and a budget motherboard. Done. This setup can handle games like Fortnite, Minecraft, and Rocket League at 1080p, no sweat. For pre-builts, look for refurbished deals with Ryzen or Intel i3 CPUs. You might not get the latest games on Ultra, but you'll still have fun for less. So can you game on $500? Absolutely. Just focus on smart parts, and you'll be surprised what you can play. Happy gaming!